Good luck, guys. Here we go. NOIR basketball, 1 box PYT number 15. Good luck to all of you, and thank you guys for signing up. If you've been following the breaks, this is the final box of the case. Again, ends in 236. Here we go. All right, Trey Burke, acetate color version to 99. I'm sorry, to 70. Veterans are to 70. The Utah Jazz and Rodovich, 67 to 70. DeMar DeRozan, black and white, Toronto Raptors. Grand Poobah, 35 to 70. This is John Wall, the Wizards. Shawnee Boy 1010, numbered 8 out of 70. Danny Green patch card for the Spurs. Is that a patch? It kind of looks like laces or something. Interesting piece of material. Or maybe it's like the piping or something. I don't know. Interesting look there. San Antonio Spurs, Freddy's G35. Number 1 out of 25. The very first one ever. Number 13 out of 99, Andrew Bogut for the Golden State Warriors. S. Geary, China patch. Yeah, there's no. You don't need to go off on somebody like that in here. I'm not sure I approve of that kind of blast on the other breakers, but to each his own. Whatever. Yeah, Charles Oakley for the Knicks, 21 out of 25. Nice looking 3-color patch autograph. Finn Diz with the Knicks. Nice. They always hit, I tell you. Last team taken, the Hornets. Noah Vonleh, rookie auto patch, 46 of 99. Going to Cassie John. Sacramento Kings, Nick Stauskas, 22 of 99. Auto patch. Going to Mooley. 2 hits left, guys. Well, at least sometimes, maybe there's 3 left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, 2 left. First one, number 1 out of 49. The first one ever. Robert Horry for the Lakers. Let's go to S. Geary. Last one is 22 of 25 Spotlight Signatures, Kevin Durant. Oklahoma City Thunder. Very nice. There you go. It's an all-star, wearing an all-star uniform right there. S. Geary with the Thunder. Very nice hit there. I haven't pulled one. I think that might be the first time we've hit one of those spotlight signatures here. Nice. Rookie Bojan Bogdanovic, Brooklyn Nets, for JS Micron. Bogdanovic, 11 of 99. And Mitch McGary, Oklahoma City Thunder, and S. Geary again, 94 of 99. There you go, guys. That's going to be it for the break. Thanks again to everybody for watching and joining. Until next time, peace.